Interested in the famous Chase Sapphire cards but not sure about the application process? If you want to maximize your chances of approval, you're not alone. Today, we're applying for a Chase Sapphire card the smart way. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. The Chase Sapphire Preferred and Reserve are premium travel cards with excellent rewards, but they have specific application requirements. Step 1. Check your credit score first. These cards typically require good to excellent credit, usually 670 plus. Check your credit score before applying to ensure you meet the threshold and avoid a hard pull for nothing. Step 2. Apply through the Chase website. Go to chase.com/credit-cards and select the Sapphire card you want. Complete the online application with your personal, financial, and employment information. You may get an instant decision. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: know the 524 rule before applying. Chase will automatically deny your application if you've opened 5 or more credit cards with any bank in the past 24 months. Check your credit report to count your recent accounts before applying for any Chase card. So, just like that, you're equipped to apply for one of the most popular travel cards strategically. Understanding the rules goes a long way in successful credit card applications. Now I'm curious, which Sapphire card appeals to you more, the Preferred with its lower fee or the Reserve with its premium benefits? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.